everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. And today, we're talking about something super important. How to politely disagree in English without sounding rude.
Right. A lot of English learners feel scared to disagree because they don't want to offend someone. So today we'll teach you polite phrases, natural expressions, and real-life examples. By the end, you'll feel confident disagreeing respectfully.
Let's start with step 1, softening your disagreement. In English, we don't usually jump in with, "No, you're wrong."
Yeah, that sounds too strong. Instead, try gentle openers like, "I see what you mean, but I understand your point. However, that's a good point, but I think I'm not sure I agree with that."
Let's try a quick example. Example 1, discussing music.
Jack, I think classical music is boring.
I see what you mean, but I actually enjoy it. It helps me relax.
See? Jack disagreed, but he didn't sound rude. Part 2. Show understanding before you disagree.
Another polite strategy is showing that you understand the other person's opinion.
Yeah, people get less defensive when they feel heard. Useful phrases. I get where you're coming from. I get your point. I understand what you mean. I agree with part of that, but...
Let's do another example.
Example 2, talking about work. I think working late every day is the best way to get promoted.
I understand what you mean, but work-life balance is important too.
Perfect. You respected my opinion and shared yours.
Part 3, suggest instead of rejecting. In English, suggesting feels more polite than rejecting.
Yeah, instead of "that's wrong," you can say, "Maybe we can look at it another way. Have you considered..." Another perspective might be, "What if we tried..."
Let's give a real example. Example 3, planning a trip. I think we should travel in July.
Have you considered going in September? The weather is cooler and it's less crowded.
Nice. You disagreed while offering a helpful alternative.
Part 4. Use tone and body language. Very important.
Exactly. A soft, calm voice helps. Also, smile gently, nod to show respect, keep eye contact, don't interrupt suddenly.
Disagreeing politely is also about how you say it, not just the words. Part 5. Avoid these rude phrases. Okay, listeners, here are phrases you should avoid because they sound rude. You're wrong. That makes no sense. That's stupid. No, listen to me.
Even if you don't mean to be rude,
These phrases sound harsh in English culture.
Part 6. How to disagree in professional situations. Workplace disagreement is tricky, so here are more polite phrases. I respectfully disagree. I have a different take on that. I'm not fully convinced. Could we explore another option?
Let's do a quick work example.
Example 4. Team meeting.
I think we should increase the price of our product.
I respectfully disagree. I think a small discount might attract more customers.
Professional, clear, and polite.
Part 7. Disagreeing with friends. Casual style. When talking to friends, you can be more relaxed. Try, I don't really think so. I'm not sure about that. I see it differently. Really? I don't think that's true.
Let's do a quick casual example.
Example 5. Movie debate. That movie was amazing.
Really? I see it differently. I thought the story was too slow.
Still polite, even in disagreement.
Part 8. When you strongly disagree, but want to stay polite. Sometimes you totally disagree. That's okay. Just stay calm and respectful. Use, I disagree, but I respect your opinion. Sorry, but I can't agree with that. I see what you're saying, but I strongly disagree.
Here's an example.
Example 6. Strong disagreement. I think exercise is a waste of time.
I see what you're saying, but
And that's it for
I
today's
strongly
episode
disagree.
on disagreeing
exercise
politely
is
in
so
English.
important for health.
Remember,
Part 9.
polite disagreement
Disagreeing
makes you sound
without
confident,
ending the
educated,
conversation.
and respectful.
This is very important. If
the
the
conversation
conversation
feels
follow
tense,
us for
you
more
can add,
daily English
but
conversations.
it's okay. We don't have to agree.
Thanks for listening. and
We
we'll see
can
you
have
next time.
different opinions. That's what makes conversations interesting.
Yes. These phrases keep the conversation friendly.
Okay, listeners, practice with us. I'll say a sentence, and you think of a polite disagreement.
Here we go.
Pineapple is the best pizza topping.
Your turn. A polite disagreement could be, I get your point, but I'm not a fan of pineapple on pizza.
Nice. And that's it for today's episode on disagreeing politely in English.
Remember, polite disagreement makes you sound confident, educated, and respectful.
If you enjoyed this episode, follow us for more daily English conversations.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.